To connect your Motorola Moto G15 with a car, first we need to open a settings on our device, navigate to the connected devices options right here, and then select connection preferences. Now on the bottom you'll be able to find Android Auto. Click on it, and if you do it for the first time, you will need to download the newest update for Android Auto app as well. So now I'm downloading the update. Let's wait those 10 seconds. So now when it's downloaded and installed, we can go back to the connection preferences and click on Android Auto again, which will show up the interface, and now we can move to connect a car. Then there's two options. You can use a cable, which allows you to connect to your phone and your car as well, or you can go with connect using wireless Android Auto, which will transfer you to the Bluetooth settings. Make sure you're in the pairing mode in your car, and then you'll be able to connect with that car as well. And that is basically everything.